could have faked out his own teammate.
Yeah, he could have. Oh, man. Oh, that was a nice. Oh, he had everybody.
Circle.
Woo! All right, what's poppin', opinionated gang? What it is. Like, subscribe. All the good stuff, you know it. Notification bell, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna waste your time with all that stuff. You know, we here. We're gonna get right into the NBA 1 billion IQ moments.
1 billion?
Yeah, that's what it says. 1 billion.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get right into it. I already know Go James is gonna be.
It might be like 3 people on this show.
Right? LeBron James is gonna probably take up most of this video. Yeah. All right, so let's get into it.
I could name most of them before it starts. Go ahead.
Let's go.
Oh, that was a nice pass.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice pass right there.
Oh.
Even though, who's that? Right there looking at the pass, he'd be like, yeah, that's a nice pass. He had to stop and look at it.
Oh.
Look at Ball. Balling.
That's the best ball brother by far.
Oh, yeah, he is definitely
I wish I was on YouTube when I said that years ago.
He's the best one.
He bounced it off the backside.
Did he bounce it off? Oh, that's just street ball right there.
Ben Simmons, huh?
That's some street ball shit right there. What the?
You got no better than that, brother.
You never turn your back. Come on, bro. He never played in the street. Look at Doc. He like.
Doc always looking like that. Oh, off the backboard. I know that. I saw that. I saw that. Yeah.
That ain't nothing special. That ain't no high IQ.
That's GOAT man right there.
He was doing that back in the day. He was traveling. Look, see, he just did it. And he traveled when he did it. Look like. I know he did. My bad.
Nice, Murray.
He kept that foot still.
Fires from downtown.
He just made Is that Go James?
He even laughed at
He's like, oh, that was smart.
Shouldn't have been on Jokic
he
too.
never stepped out.
No, but Jokic touched the ball while it was touching LeBron while he was out.
I think
that should have been out on both of them.
Dropped it on him.
Hands for the young player to kind of corral it in and finish.
I know he's
we already know that. That's
come on. I'm already showing this
what
part.
What he about to do?
Get to the.
Yeah, what was that? That was interesting. What part? Yeah, what was going on with that?
That's like a 0 IQ.
Wade! It was Wade! That's my favorite player.
And then they got.
That's my.
That's one thing about blocking stuff. Damn, he got up there. You see how he got? Look at Rondo. But you see how Wade got up there?
Woo, Rondo though. That was nice. That was a nice play. That was 2 nice 100 IQ plays there.
That was pretty good. That was pretty smart.
Go James shit. Yeah. Go James shit.
That was
Go James.
I mean, I would do the same thing though, but that was pretty good.
Goodness.
I wouldn't expect nothing less out of that.
Oh, I see it.
And it worked.
Oh,
and it worked.
Yeah, he got lucky on that one. That's Young Tatum right there.
Yeah.
What was that, year 2 or something?
Yeah, he ain't like that anymore.
Yeah, because Harden should have had that rebound.
He should have. He just got robbed.
Look at Brown. Brown's good, man.
And I think
he showed up this year.
Yeah. Westbrook about missing the free throw.
And to me, you make the free throw.
Misses, gets the rebound. Back out Westbrook. Bang!
What? That ain't the Westbrook we had in Lakers, I tell you that much. That shit would have been airballed. He is not the Westbrook the Lakers got. What the hell was that? Smart.
Man, he's playing with a lot of confidence.
That was useless.
This is a great series for him.
That was 100. That was 1 billion IQ play.
Yeah,
that was like a nice move to me.
That was nothing. That's why they
Chris
lost.
Paul, CP3. Oh, CP3. CP3.
Oh, he go.
What you doing? Where you going? Rudy, where you going? Oh, that Kuzma! Was that Kuzma? No, that wasn't Kuzma. Kuzma in the corner.
Right
Turnover for him.
Oh, that's Ball! That's Ball. The other Ball. He showed he can ball too.
Yeah, Lonzo Ball. That was nice. They go to the other ball.
They go to the other ball again.
Yeah, I like. I like. Oh my God.
That's just a
LaMelo's
nice
nasty,
shot.
bro.
I don't know about
LaMelo's
that.
nasty,
A
bro.
high
Look at
IQ play. But I mean, he missed. I don't know. He just
That was a
spun
nice
for
move.
it. Yeah, he just spun off the miss.
Shot clock at 10.
Oh, that was
Is
good.
that Wiseman?
Nice block.
Block the shot.
I don't know
No,
if he
I
really
was-
blocked it though.
He got a finger on it.
Yeah.
He got like a tippy tip finger.
More like dude got scared.
He probably got a lot scared too, though.
Westbrook at the buzzer.
All right,
Where is this Westbrook
Nah,
at last year?
OKC Westbrook, bro. It's the
I
best he
know.
ever was. You know,
He ain't been like that in a
ever
long
since he got
time.
traded from there, he was never the same, bro.
Nope.
Never the same. Look at that. He was straight up nasty.
That
out
was
there
just
in OKC,
sick.
bro. Straight up. That's what
I
happened.
mean, going to the bucket, just dunking on
Bruh.
everybody,
That's
looking
what-
like me back in the day.
That's the Westbrook you get when he runs his own team.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Luka Magic.
Oh, Luka.
We saw him live, by the way.
Yeah,
y'all.
yeah.
Luka Magic.
Oh, he was magical.
We saw Luka Magic Game 7 on Phoenix live.
Talking. Oh,
And he was just like that. He was
you
just like that.
see that? They might have a Luka Magic
Go
Phoenix
James.
area here.
Oh!
Williams, and he let it in, and he's fouled.
Everybody on the court is an issue when LeBron James is playing. Oh my
Oh
God.
man, he passed it right through all man.
Oh.
Oh, nice pass.
Williams with the finish.
Oh, he did that on
Sensational.
Brawl. Oh, Anthony Davis.
Tatum.
Could,
I like Tatum, bro.
he
Tatum's
couldn't catch
nice.
up to him.
Tatum's nice.
Westbrook could
Oh, there go Westbrook again.
Oh! Hold on. That had to be an accident through the legs. Did that go through the legs, bro?
Oh, did you see
Did that go through the legs? That
Look
went
at
through the legs. I
ass.
think I seen this. It did.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, my
I
God.
seen that.
You see that? How did he-
Oh, that was so
That couldn't have been on
nasty.
purpose. Was he counting that? He about to step right now.
Oh. Nice play. Was that Jimmy Butler? Yeah.
Oh, screw Jimmy Butler.
I don't know why Jimmy Butler left Philly. He should never left Philly.
Jimmy
I
Butler.
know you mad he left
That
Chicago.
was still nice though.
Pass to Barton. And there's
That
the-
wasn't high
Nobody
IQ
do those
play.
better than nobody does full court passes better than Jokic and LeBron James.
Yeah.
Lays it up. He missed it.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Pass to a corner.
is that Rondo?
That was nice.
Yeah, that was
That's
Rondo.
like a sideways
Nice.
bowling softball.
Cleveland was such a good betting
pass.
team last year, y'all. Watch out for
Yeah,
them. They coming
Cleveland
up
made
this year.
us some money last
Yeah,
year.
they're
didn't
coming up.
They made some good money in
They
the
did. I
pocket.
put you. Yeah, I told you Cleveland. Them boys nasty.
Parted for Ben Simmons. He's got a couple of those in this game.
What about you play?
Yeah, he should did that last
My
year.
goodness, De'Aaron Fox throws
Damn.
it up the
He got so lucky that that went under and came right back to you. Saw that?
Because he hit the front
Yeah,
bottom
it
of the
should have
rim.
went under. It should have
Yeah.
bounced down more.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Go down so many times, but he saves it.
Nice.
And it sets
Nice
up
shot.
a two-third triple.
Yo, that's one of the worst. That has to.
Oh, is that
Oh my
was that
God.
P? Playoff P?
Morant. Oh, Morant. Ja.
Fourth assist for Morant.
Where you
Oh,
going?
he had everybody like, where the ball
going?
going? That was pretty clean.
He low-key could have faked out his own teammate.
Yeah, he could have. Oh, that was a nice. Oh, he had everybody on that shit. He trying to be like Michael.
A little bit, he says, they would get out some aggression.
Another ass pass. Wow, you're ass if you get ass pass.
Where dudes gonna learn? Don't turn your back.
Another ass pass. Is that Giannis who got ass pass?
Can they get the foul? They got
Wow.
it. They're gonna have one, too.
How did that happen to people in the NBA? Oh, his teammate. That was pretty nice. That was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, that was clean.
That would have been better if he shot it after. But oh man,
All of his teammates was trying to keep the ball. I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty clean. I never seen that one before.
in the first half. Long pass.
Oh,
that didn't even touch the ground.
that was oh, that's like NFL pass accuracy.
Another one, not even touching the ground. I love full court passes that don't touch
Look at
the
his
ground.
pass.
Nice.
Where was he at last year?
James to the open.
Oh
Bradley.
man.
That's his fourth three-pointer of the opening quarter.
On time and on target. I talk about that type of passing, and that's a
Bruh.
what LeBron James.
Bruh.
He sucked.
The haters.
Oh, that was a
sorry,
nice pass.
he's my brother, but he's a hater. Oh my God.
I dunk on LeBron James.
Young on the drive.
Ooh, nice, Young. Nice.
Hunter finishes it off.
Nice.
Bounce pass.
Man, I wish we were bigger because I would like give LeBron James attention so he can really play him and destroy. I'll videotape him and destroy you.
I'm not destroying LeBron James with the ball, man. You know.
I ain't seen Teague in a long time.
He is fouled out or something? Oh, Tech.
What has just been really a wild finish here in closing
I
time.
want to see how this is an IQ play.
That free throw is good. They made it.
Oh, right here, I guess it is.
Adams launches it to Schroeder catches.
That looked longer than 1.1 seconds,
Wow.
doesn't it?
I don't understand how that was a high IQ play though. It looked like they just got lucky because somebody got a tech.
Yeah,
it looked like somebody got a
tech.
tech or something.
Yeah.
It looked like T. That's where he was mad. T got
He
the
got
tech.
yeah.
He was like, "What the hell?" But damn, some of them plays are nice. I told
The
you that.
passes are pretty clean, though.
Woo! Go James
Them
passes.
passes are nice.
That Rondo pass was nice.
That dog on Westbrook
Bruh,
between the legs.
I
man.
did not expect to see Westbrook on
Dude.
here so much.
Yeah.
Because we know high IQ and Westbrook don't really like go together. You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
but that's my guy. I like Westbrook.
I mean,
though. I
he
like
can
his
play.
game. That's my guy.
He's good sometimes.
Yeah,
But
I'm a
I'm telling you,
big
that
Westbrook
pass through the legs, best
Yeah, I'm a
pass
big Westbrook fan.
on the whole video.
Yeah. They did, I think a couple other players done that too. They just didn't show it on here. I think
Yeah.
LeBron did it one time, and somebody else did it
But
too.
that-
But his was nice as he was going full
It was
court.
going full court through the legs
Bruh.
to somebody running because they was moving
Yeah,
too.
that was nice. I think that one in the no look LeBron James when he. But when he told that
Yeah,
dude to go
that's
away,
probably
he
his
did
best
Kyrie.
one when he told the dude to
Bruh.
go somewhere and then call.
The Laker one was nice
That's
too.
fine.
He helped the Laker one. Man, I mean, hey, it's go James.
I mean,
What do
it's
you
just
expect?
if the players around you are dumb. No.
Hey, that's how Michael Jordan got passed on. I'm just playing.
I mean, GOAT
Inferior
number
competition.
2.
But nah, man, we ain't gonna get into the whole GOAT debate on here. But LeBron James is that guy. You already know. I knew he was gonna be on this list
Yeah.
plenty of times. Like I
really
said, Westbrook
Westbrook,
was actually surprising
was
to
probably-
see on here.
Who
a
had the
couple
most,
times.
maybe? Between
LeBron
Westbrook
James and
LeBron?
Westbrook, maybe.
Yeah, one of them
LeBron
two,
James,
yeah.
Westbrook, and the Ball brothers.
The ball was on there a few
LaMelo
times.
Ball was on there like 3 times, right? I like
LaMelo
LaMelo Ball's game. No, I like LaMelo Ball. He's gonna be good, man.
Yeah,
that kid's gonna be good.
I mean, we got the other Ball brothers, so
Yeah, he's gonna be. Yeah.
He's
Lonzo, he's
okay.
got defense though.
Yeah, he
Boy's
got great
defense is
defense,
legit, man.
yeah.
It's legit. So, all right, YouTube. All right, we're gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
All right, that was live. I think we're gonna do more of those.
That was crazy.
That brought back some
some
plays
good
that I totally
plays.
forgot about. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That was some
Especially
years
the ones
ago,
you
bro.
remember. Oh shit!
Right? I was like,
And then
I
you-
remember that.
and
I
it made you remember other ones that didn't have on there?
Exactly. So I'm with it. We're gonna do some more of those, man. I
Yeah,
love it.
that's pretty clean.
1 billion IQ basketball plays. We're gonna come at y'all with some more of those, man. So we're gonna get out of here. The opinions of 2. What it do?